Hey guys, I'm just coming on here quickly and showing you this trade I just took. With YouTube, it's obviously hard to do live trading or post setups and stuff. Like, I don't want to upload a whole setup and not be able to explain it. With that being said, I'm actually going to open a group chat. So in this group chat, it's going to be on Telegram. I'm not going to post signals or anything like that. However, I am actually going to have an OnlyFans for mentoring on Wyckoff. So there you can actually send me charts, ask questions, and really just ask me any questions you want. We can do personal sessions and stuff like that. So I find that way it's more easier for people to have direct access to me, as well as group chats can get messy and they're not very personal, and answering DMs and sending charts on Instagram and all that stuff is not very helpful. So anyways, with that being said, the link in the bio is going to be for the group chat. And then once I'm completely ready for the OnlyFans, hopefully before the new year, if not right after the new year, then I'm going to drop the link there. So right now, before you guys even watch this video, definitely go join that group chat. But in this video, I'm just going to quickly go over how I found this opportunity for Wyckoff, because a lot of people understand Wyckoff, but they don't understand how to find the opportunity. So I'm going to explain this in like 5 minutes, and this is also on the 5-minute time frame. So this is my actual chart. I'm just going to go to a clean chart. Okay, cool. So I do have a before. This is a group chat of literally just me and a bunch of examples. It's just me keeping all my examples and stuff like that. So this is kind of in play. I didn't take a before, but that's kind of what it looked like before. And then now it's here. So I have my replay mode, and I'll show you guys where I found this play, because I'm not, I think around here. Okay, so doing top-down analysis, I was just looking at all the information. Couldn't really find anything, honestly, until the 15. On the 15, I seen this strong push down and strong push up. So I highlighted it, and then I went down to the 5-minute, and I noticed that the imbalance was created right here. So I made my box smaller. And then I also noticed that we had double bottoms. Okay, so I'm going to explain more, obviously, I don't want to say it's a course because it's not a course. So you're not going to learn support and resistance. You're not going to learn basics. This is for people who learn the basics and all that stuff. In case you guys didn't know, I learned everything I know from iMarkets Live. A lot of people are scared of iMarkets Live because of the pyramid scheme, or they have bad experience and da-da-da-da. So I can't say I understand, but that's where I learned. So I'm just trying to, I understand a lot of people understand the basics, but they don't understand smart money, and they just feel like they want another opportunity to learn smart money without going through iMarkets Live. So that's why I'm offering an OnlyFans literally at like 1/8 of the price. So anyways, all you do is literally find double bottoms. So literally, guys, all I did was find these double bottoms, and I set my alert. Oh yeah, I can't do it in replay mode, saying double bottoms. And Wyckoff, guys, is literally down, up, double bottoms, double tops, consolidation, a spring. That's the spring, retest of the spring, usually another retest up here and up. So if you're kind of lost, I'm going to explain all this in my OnlyFans, but it's pretty much a support resistance with a spring and some areas to enter in either the spring here or here. And it's easy to enter on the spring if there's like an imbalance right here, which is what I did right now. Okay, so I knew in this particular situation, because my imbalance was here, I knew the spring was going to come down here. So all I did was literally set an alert right here. So let's watch that play out. Okay, so here, so the actual entry, if I were to set a limit, is literally to the T. So here, you would have like a double entry, I guess you can say. My stop loss was below here, and then it actually went all the way above, and that's where it is right now. So I'm currently out this trade because my TP was only right here. But just to show you guys the risk to reward, entry below this low, using the bodies 3.6. My first TP was here. So that's almost a 6-to-1. So anywhere from a 5-to-1 to whatever, or if you actually wrote it up, it would be around almost a 9-to-1. So at the end of the day, this right here was Wyckoff. And this is some of the stuff. I'm just going to go into more detail, also more quickly. On OnlyFans, I can just upload quicker without having to do all this stuff and da-da-da-da. And I'll show more of like, I'll drop setups. I will not drop signals. I will not drop signals. I will not drop signals. I will drop setups. I will back test. Like for me, I don't really take pride in just giving people signals and charging. There's like, I don't know why I would do that or why people do that. I mean, I get why people do it, but you know, I still have to have a passion for teaching people, because if anyone can just take signals, well, then no one will be working, right? And signals, you're relying on someone. So if you're sleeping and da-da-da-da, I just looked at my statistics the other day. Most people are in like India, the UK, the States, and Nigeria. So time zones and signals is not going to work. But I hope this gave you guys a small little insight to how you even set up for Wyckoff. Okay, so again, guys, there's going to be more detail later. Join the Telegram in the description box below, or in that Telegram, guys, soon I'm going to drop the link to my OnlyFans, where I'm going to be able to do more one-on-one mentorship for a super cheap price. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in